Okay, so today what we've got is a DualShock 2 PlayStation 2 controller. We've got two of them. The little silver one down there is a PlayStation 1, but we've got two PlayStation 2 controllers, one of which is silver, the other one is black. The silver one is a genuine PlayStation controller, whereas the black one is an aftermarket one. We're just going to tear it down, give it a clean down, and see which one performs and works the best, and just make one decent one out of two, really. If you are new to the channel or haven't subscribed, then please do so, give us a follow. We've got all sorts of interesting, wacky bits on here, from controllers, batteries, car problems, you name it, we pretty much deal with it. So yeah, hit that subscribe button if you'd be so kind. So yeah, we're just going to start with the silver one, the genuine one. Going to take a cross-headed screwdriver and remove all the screws in the back. Once they're all removed, it should just pry away. And now that we've got the back off, we can see sort of the inside and the gubbins of it all. Looks to be genuine from this angle anyway, so just give it a good clean up around the controller area. Make sure all the analogues are good, make sure it's not suffering stick drift, and yeah, get it put back together, test it. So yeah, I'm just taking the toothbrush and some alcohol, and I'm just giving every single little individual bit a good clean down, just to get all the grime and the dirt off. Once that's all cleaned, there shouldn't be anything to give it any resistance or stopping it from going down or anything like that. It's more the analog sticks I'm hoping to get sorted, because stick drifts, yeah, a real pain. And once they're all cleaned down, we'll just start putting everything back together the opposite way to the way we took it out. And once they're all lined back up, we'll just start with the board, get that in there, because I've put the buttons in, as you can see. And once the board's in, we'll get that cable lined up as well. Okay, I'm just tearing down this aftermarket controller, and I wanted to nick the analog sticks off of it because they're in semi-decent nick, especially by comparison to the old ones of the silver one. And obviously, as you can see, as I've taken the back off of this aftermarket one, you can tell straight away that it's nowhere near the same as Sony's one. But I mean, it doesn't really matter, just as long as it performs just as well. As a cheap alternative, I'm not knocking them. Cool, now that's all neatened up, we're just gonna put the case back on, the back end of it, get that lined up properly so that the buttons sort of don't slip out or don't get caught. And it should just sit nicely, and once it does, you should just be able to pop it back in. Once you've got to that stage, screw it all back down, and yeah, we'll give it a test. Yeah, I mean, it all seems to test fine. I'll actually have a long game of something, one of my favourite PS2 classics maybe. But yeah, what I'll do is I'll give that a proper test, but that did seem to test fine. One of the buttons seemed to be a bit sort of unhappy, but again, I'll test it, I'll find out. But that's enough for today. Thank you very much, have a great day.